Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another question from the topic of SOH-CAH-TOA. Let's read this question and solve it together. If sine C is 3 over 5 and the triangle ABC is a right triangle, what is the measure of the length of the side AB? So, the expression SOH-CAH-TOA is important for you to remember the triangle trigonometric expressions. Sine C, S comes from the sine, O is the opposite, it stands for the opposite, H stands for the hypotenuse. And if you will talk about cosine C, C comes from the cosine, A is the adjacent, over hypotenuse. For the toe, this is tangent C. The letter T comes from the first letter of the 10. And O is the opposite. And A is the adjacent. So based on this, in this specific question, we're talking about the sine C. Sine C, in that case, I want you to imagine that as if you sit on the corner on the C, and you're looking at the opposite sides. Opposite sides is 3x, because this is a ratio, it has to be multiple of 3x. 3. And the hypotenuse is 5x. 3x, 5x. This is a special triangle. Why? Because there's a special triangle we call 3, 4, 5. If one side of the triangle is 3 and the hypotenuse is 5, multiples of 5, the other side must be equal to 4x. Or you can calculate it this way. You can write the Pythagorean theorem. Remember that a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. In this case, this is a, let's say this is b, then this is c. And then c squared is 5x squared. Let's write in order. We call a is the 3x. 3x squared plus b squared is equals to 5x squared. 3x squared is 9x squared plus b squared is equals to 25x squared. And to get the b squared by itself, we will take away 9x squared from both sides. And the b squared is equals to 16x squared. And we'll take a square root of both sides. And this is going to be, b will be equal to absolute value of 4x, which is positive 4x in this case. This is where it comes from. So if 4x is equals to 24, and we divide both sides by 4 to get the value of x, then x will be equals to 6. If x is 6, we're looking for AB, the length of AB is 3x, which is 3 times 6, which is 18. So the choice B will be the correct answer for this specific question. Since we already talked about these, this is 3 over 5, sine C. I want to talk about cosine C as well. Cosine C, imagine that, again, you're on the corner of C. You're looking for the adjacent side, which is 24, you can say, or 4x. Let's go with the 4x over hypotenuse 5x. If you will simplify these, this will become 4 over 5. And tan C, opposite sides, which is 3x, over the adjacent side, 4x. This will be close to 3 over 4. It's all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.